Welcome to our channel. We are Sheila and Michael here at Don't Honk Push. Sit back and enjoy as we prepare another cookout night meal. Stop! You have to make a good video.
It is good. People want to see the real me. This is the real me.
Okay. So here is one of the fire starters that we made with dryer lint and old crayons. So the goal is here is to light the lint and or the cardboard. And get yourself a flame, and the wax is designed to just keep the flame going until your wood catches fire. For cookout night week 4, we are going to be having fajitas. The first thing we're going to do is we are going to start cooking some rice over the fire. So just for the two of us, we're going to be cooking just a cup of dry rice. And I keep some of my extra pantry items in just used plastic containers. A cup of dry rice to 2 cups of water.
It wasn't even full. You're cheating me.
A little bit. Almost 2 cups of water. There you go. So we can go ahead and put this over the fire. So what we'll do is we'll bring the rice water to a boil, and then we'll remove it from the heat and let it finish cooking. Alright, we're going to cut up some meat for our steak fajitas. We're just going to cut them nice and thin. Thin slices so that they cook a little bit faster. One thing that I like about this particular meal is we also enjoy having breakfast burritos. So a lot of the same ingredients we can bring and either save some for the next day's breakfast. We've got the tortillas, the peppers, the onions, cheese. So it's nice when you can kind of coordinate some of your meals so you're not bringing a whole bunch of different ingredients. Just packing a little more simple when you're packing up your food. That way, less likely to forget something from you. Okay, so that is so far what needs to be cooked on the that sizzle. Looks and smells delicious. So how long would you say the vegetables took to cook?
5 to 10.
Okay. And this meat will probably take less than 5?
Oh yeah.
There we go. And the rice is ready to go. I think we are ready to go. Time to dish up.
Just gotta be sure I touch everything with my tongs.
Whose idea was it to get taco size tortillas? Mine. Not a good idea. fill them a little too full. Well, thanks for watching Cookout Night Week 4. I hope you enjoyed watching how we make steak fajitas over the fire. Be sure and like the video if you've enjoyed what you've seen, and subscribe if you're interested in watching more videos of our outdoor cooking. See you next week.